Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. The easy way to inspect and replace brake drums for a smooth ride. Understanding brake drums. Brake drums play a crucial role in a vehicle's braking system by providing the surface for the brake shoes to press against, creating the friction needed to slow down or stop the vehicle. Understanding the composition of brake drums and recognizing signs of wear is essential for maintaining optimal braking performance and ensuring the safety of your vehicle. Composition of brake drums. Brake drums are typically made from cast iron due to its durability and heat resistance properties. The design of the brake drum, including its shape and thickness, impacts its ability to dissipate heat generated during braking. Thicker brake drums can absorb and dissipate more heat, reducing the risk of brake fade during prolonged or heavy braking. Additionally, the fins or cooling vents on the drum help to improve airflow and cooling efficiency, enhancing overall braking performance. Signs of brake drum wear. Detecting early signs of brake drum wear is crucial for preventing brake system failures. If you notice a grinding or scraping noise when applying the brakes, it could indicate that the brake shoes are worn down and metal-to-metal contact is occurring, which can damage the brake drum surface. Poor brake performance, such as a soft brake pedal or increased stopping distances, can also signal the need for brake drum inspection and potential replacement. Additionally, visible cracks, grooves, or uneven wear on the brake drum surface are indicators of wear that should not be ignored. Maintaining your brake drums in good condition through regular inspections and timely replacements is essential for ensuring the effectiveness and safety of your vehicle's braking system. By understanding the composition of brake drums and recognizing the signs of wear, you can take proactive steps to address issues before they escalate, keeping your vehicle's braking system in optimal working condition. Brake drum inspection. Inspecting your brake drums is crucial to ensure the safety and optimal performance of your vehicle. By following these simple steps, you can easily assess the condition of your brake drums and determine if they need replacement. Tools needed for inspection. To properly inspect your brake drums, you will need the following tools: jack and jack stands, lug wrench, tape measure, vernier caliper flashlight, safety gloves, safety goggles. Having these tools on hand will help you conduct a thorough inspection and make informed decisions about the condition of your brake drums. Step-by-step inspection process. Visual inspection. Start by visually examining the brake drums for any signs of wear, cracks, or scoring. Look for deep grooves or discoloration, which could indicate overheating. Measurements. Measure the inner diameter, outer diameter, and thickness of the brake drum using a tape measure and vernier caliper. Compare these measurements to the manufacturer's specifications to determine if the brake drum is within tolerance. Check for runout. Use a dial indicator to check for runout, which is the lateral movement of the brake drum as it rotates. Excessive runout can cause brake pulsation and uneven wear on brake pads. Inspect mounting surfaces. Ensure that the mounting surfaces of the brake drum are clean and free of debris. Any buildup or distortion can affect the brake drum's performance. By following these steps and conducting a thorough inspection of your brake drums, you can ensure the safety and efficiency of your vehicle's braking system. Visually inspecting for wear and damage is essential before making any decisions on whether replacement is necessary. Replacing brake drums. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or a beginner looking to take on a new challenge, replacing brake drums on your vehicle is a task that requires attention to detail and a commitment to safety. Before diving into the step-by-step replacement guide, let's first ensure you have all the necessary supplies at hand. Gathering necessary supplies: tools, jack and jack stands, lug wrench, brake cleaner, brake lubricant, brake spoon or screwdriver, rubber mallet, wire brush parts, new brake drums, brake shoes, brake hardware kit, brake fluid. Now that you have all the tools and parts ready, it's time to proceed with the replacement process. Step-by-step replacement guide. Prepare the vehicle. Park the car on a flat, level surface and engage the parking brake for added safety. Loosen the lug nuts on the rear wheels but do not remove them completely. Remove the wheel. Lift the rear of the vehicle using the jack and secure it with jack stands. Remove the lug nuts and take off the wheel to access the brake drum. Inspect and disassemble. Inspect the brake drum for any visible damage or wear. Remove the drum by gently tapping it with a rubber mallet if it's stuck. Once the drum is off, inspect the brake shoes, hardware, and wheel cylinder for any signs of damage or wear. Replace brake components. Replace the brake shoes and hardware if necessary. Clean the area with brake cleaner and apply brake lubricant to prevent squeaking. Install the new drum. Slide the new brake drum onto the wheel studs and make sure it sits flush against the hub. Secure it in place by tightening the lug nuts. Reassemble and test. Put the wheel back on, lower the vehicle, and tighten the lug nuts. Pump the brake pedal a few times to readjust the brake shoes. Test the brakes in a safe area to ensure proper functioning before hitting the road. By following these steps diligently, you can successfully replace the brake drums on your vehicle, ensuring optimal braking performance and safety for your driving experience. Road testing and final checks. After installing new brake drums, it is essential to conduct thorough road testing and final checks to ensure the safety and functionality of the vehicle. By following proper test driving procedures and post-replacement inspections, you can confirm that the brake drums are working correctly and that the installation was successful. Test driving procedures. When test driving the vehicle after brake drum replacement, start by checking the brakes. Begin by driving at a low speed in a safe area and gradually applying the brakes to test their responsiveness. Listen for any unusual noises or vibrations that may indicate an issue with the new brake drums. Perform several stops from different speeds to ensure the brakes are functioning optimally. Post-replacement inspection. After the test drive, conduct a post-replacement inspection to verify the success of the brake drum installation. Inspect the brake drums for any signs of wear, damage, or misalignment. Check the brake lines and connections to ensure they are secure and free of leaks. Test the parking brake to confirm it is engaging and releasing properly. Additionally, inspect the wheel cylinders and brake shoes for proper alignment and function. By following these test driving procedures and conducting a thorough post-replacement inspection, you can ensure that the new brake drums are functioning correctly and that the vehicle is safe to drive. Regular maintenance and checks are crucial for the overall safety and performance of your vehicle. We hope you found this guide helpful in understanding how to inspect and replace brake drums effectively. Stay tuned for more valuable insights and tips to keep your vehicle running smoothly and safely. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.